Well, how you doing there, everybody? It's John here again, and today I am in Port Alberni, down by the harbourfront. We're taking a look around, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Great time to be out here, and we're gonna take a little walk around, and I thought I'd invite you along with me. All right, well, here we go. Look at this. Beautiful view from the harbor front. We're right down on the water. This is the nice little ocean park here, down right along the water. Got some beautiful art, some carvings. Lots of places to stop and get something to eat. Great carvings. Look at that, wow. That right there is artwork created by a local carver and a Maori. Really neat. Super cool eagle. Nice little park here if you got the kiddos and want to run around like they do. Here's a little information about this, the Harbour Key Eagle. That's the fella right there. It's pretty neat. How about that, eh? Wow. There's a memorial here too.
Yes. I'm gonna hold on to it though, because sometimes,
Just thought I'd walk along here and show you the sights. You get to see some nice big boats. Alberni is a fantastic place to come for fishing and boating and outdoor anything. There's lots of really great hikes around here. Great place to go for a walk. Stretch your legs even if you're on the way to Ucluelet. Instead of turning right to head towards Tofino Ucluelet, you hang a left in Port Alberni and you come down to the city center area. This is just down by the waterfront here. Lots of beautiful artwork here. Down over here, there's lots of places to buy crafts and gifts and all that good stuff. Great places to get a coffee. They got some really good fish and chips right over there too, by the way. I had that, it's been a while, but they made really good fish and chips. Lots of washrooms. That's important. Just want to go around the corner here and take a quick shot. That over there is the Port Alberni Lighthouse. How about that? Lots of big ships in the harbor today too. Definitely can get yourself some ice cream here, just saying. Just so you know, that's the place I had fish and chips, but they are not open yet. Doing a reno. All right, well, as this is an actual harbor, most of the stores and stuff like that around here are, you know, related to fixing your boat. But it's still such a cool place to come because you can, I like looking at the boats and everything. I guess it's part of the way I grew up, but it's a really neat spot. Great to stretch your legs and get something to eat, or maybe a little ice cream. All right, well, I'll carry on and get back to you at the next site. Well, there's a nice little gift store there, the Salmonberry Emporium. And look at this sculpture here. The fountain is really pretty. Just take a walk through here, down over to the water again. Stuff, tacos. Hey, this is all right. Ooh, donuts. Donut shop here. Sugar Shack, gotta like that. Oop. Guys, somebody trying to run me over? Okay, well, here's a look at the harbor area. Lots and lots of boats here. Like I say, there's terrific fishing on this side. Got some pigeons hanging out. See, you can see all the snow-capped mountains in the background there too. Look at that. You can walk all the way out here and enjoy the sunshine. Real pretty spot. Okay, well, here is what is known as the Bamfield Lifeboat. Look at that baby. This is also known as the Rotary Arts District. That's a little bit about the lifeboat if you're interested. Nice breakfast place. Another place to grab something to eat. Ooh. Oh, there's consignments though, that's nice. Oh, this is neat. Holy cow. Lots of interesting stores. I'm going to show you the old water tower there too. Boy, oh boy. That's where they used to fill up the train, I'm guessing. What with the tracks and all. I know that's a dead giveaway. Pretty neat, eh? Harbour Key. Well, I think I'm going to go up the hill and show you a little bit of the downtown. All right, well, we're here in front of the Capitol Theater. Just up the hill, that's where the quay is down that way. And what do we got here? Stuff on Argyle Street. There's a government building there. Kind of a cool artwork there. Let's go and take a look at that. This is City Hall here. But I wanted to get a look at this. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Yeah, how about that? What do we got there? That's pretty neat. let's just go up here and take a look and see what's here. A little Bavaria. Ooh, German restaurant. Ooh, I'm demoing something. Probably gonna put something else in. That's a good idea. What the heck, right? Alright, well, I'm gonna pause for a minute. I'll see what comes up. Okay, well, we're a little further along here. It's kind of a neat little park area you can sit around in. Pretty flowers. Ooh. Almost looks like wisteria. That's a hanging vine. It isn't. It just say it kind of looks like it. All right. Well, lots of little stores around here. What do we got? There used to be a Woolworths there. Boy, that was a while ago. Pet store. Martial arts. Oh, look at that. Bit of a downtown core. Okay, well, what do we got here? A little smoke shop there. Steampunk Cafe. Oh, that's cool. Lots of cool stuff. All right. Okay, well, we're just a little on our way out of Port Alberni here. There is this. Not sure if you can see in there or not. Look at that. That's how they used to do whaling. Ooh. That's pretty wild, eh? Holy cow. Look at that. So you can walk quite a ways. You can walk all the way up there around the marina and everything. Really nice spot. There's some human figures carved, First Nation style. Up there you can see the pulp mill still rolling. A lot of people say, oh, that's not, well, I hate to tell you. That is how most people make a living on the coast. Or at least we used to. They kind of shut a lot of them down, which is kind of unfortunate in a way, but I guess that's the way things go, huh? Some folks going out fishing. Beautiful boardwalk along here. Look how nice that is. Lots of places to sit along here. Let's cruise along a little farther. Look at the beautiful blossoms. Holy cow. Really pretty. That's just dedicated to the estuary product, or estuary project they completed. It's a cute little bear carving. Celebrating Port Alberni's 100 years. We got lots of information, about the history, all the different, different flora, fauna, animals you may see here. Oh, look at these irises! Holy cow! Wow. Those are beautiful. Holy cats. Look at that. Just stunning irises. Wow. Whew. Boy, are those nice. Port Alberni is a really great place to spend time. Excellent, excellent place for offshore adventures. Lots of good places to eat. Great hiking, outstanding hiking. Of course, you got Mount Arrowsmith and everything. It's another iconic landmark. And let's see if I can get around the corner and get you a picture of it. Some spyglasses if you want to get a look at what's going on in the estuary there. We'll just cruise over this bridge quick and should be able to get you a shot of Mount Arrowsmith here. Birds singing in the trees. Boy, this is lovely today. There it is. That is it. Mount Arrowsmith. Port Alberni is in the shadow of Mount Arrowsmith. Really beautiful mountain. A tribute to the first paper mill in BC. Look at the pole. Holy cow. That's a good one too. Lots of good poles around here. All right, well there you go. That's Port Alberni. It's a wonderful place. Any season is a great season in Port Alberni. Outstanding. Gee, I'm sure glad you came along to visit me again. I look forward to seeing you all again really soon in my next video.